Lord, thank you for changing me, for loving what I couldn't see. I ran so hard from your embrace, still you never walked away. I chased the dreams I thought I needed, held on to hurt I never pleaded. I thought control would set me free, but grace was waiting patiently. I was holding on to pieces, afraid of who I'd be without them. But you whispered through my fear, child, let go, I'm right here. Lord, thank you for changing me. I'm so glad I finally found a way to let go of all I ever wanted, so you can mold and make me in the most perfect way. Changing was something I didn't have the strength to do. The hardest thing for me was the easiest thing for you.